Hey guys, welcome back to Mobitron. Today's topic is all about the all new feature coming to Apple iOS 14.5. The new version of iOS 14.5 will roll out soon. Apple is currently beta testing the version iOS 14.5, which is coming this spring, touted as the biggest update to iOS 14. This version will give you number of features including ability to unlock your phone by using Apple Watch while wearing a mask, the long-awaited app tracking transparency feature and many more. The final release of Apple iOS 14.5 will likely to happen in this April. Here is everything about to know about Apple iOS 14.5. So let's go to the video. First, unlock your iPhone by using Apple Watch. One of the biggest features of iOS 14.15 is going to be the ability to unlock your iPhone by using Apple Watch while wearing a mask. The idea is to bypass Face ID to unlock your phone. Sure, Face ID is great, but during the pandemic, many people realized that Face ID doesn't work properly while wearing the mask. So, solution for this, let your Apple Watch unlock your iPhone. This feature still requires a Face ID or passcode. Second, app tracking transparency. The Apple is going to add some big changes in his next update 14.5. The notable one is Apple's app tracking transparency. Simply put, this feature requires user permission for apps that want to track people across other apps and websites. Obviously, the announcement has lot of criticism by big developers including Facebook. Once the update will be live, Facebook will need to ask for your permission to access to your advertising ID. Both Facebook and Apple in recent months have been engaged in a war of words around privacy changes. Third, battery recalibration. iOS 14.5 will introduce a nifty feature called battery recalibration, which would basically display the battery health status of your device. Essentially, the new feature will recalibrate the maximum battery capacity and peak the performance statistics. Fourth, two new Siri voices. With iOS 14.5, Apple will allow you to pick female or male voice for your digital assistant. That's not all. Apple is adding two new Siri voices for English speakers. In addition, Apple Digital Voice Assistant will now better understand your music listening preferences. Though it's not clear, this feature will appear in final version of iOS 14.5. Fifth, support of dual SIM 5G, PS5 and Xbox Series controller compatibility. The iPhone 12 soon support the dual SIM 5G. That means both the phone, physically SIM and eSIM, can access to 5G. This feature is great for travelers. With iOS 14.5 update, Apple is adding support of PlayStation 5 DualSense and Xbox Series X and Series S control. So once the update is official, the user can play games on their iPhones and iPad by using PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series controllers. Sixth, over 200 emojis coming to iOS 14.5. Apple is adding bunch of emojis in his new update iOS 14.5. In fact, there are total 270 new images are coming in iOS 14 update. Some of the images one should look forward, which is redesigned vaccine series with blur removed, couples with heart, faces with spiraling eyes and many more. So guys, this is all about iOS 14.5 update. If you enjoyed this video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.